Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this session, we're tackling Chapter 4, Work and Energy, Problem 9 from our physics textbook. Let's break it down step by step. Problem overview. We are given a body that is dropped from the top of a tower that is 100 meters tall. The question asks us to find the height above the ground where the velocity of the body becomes 30 meters per second. Here's the key information provided. The total height of the tower is 100 meters. The velocity we're focusing on is 30 meters per second. The acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. Air resistance is neglected. Now, let's solve this problem step by step. Step 1. Calculate the time to reach 30 meters per second. We'll use the first equation of motion, which relates velocity, acceleration, and time. The formula tells us that the final velocity equals the initial velocity plus acceleration multiplied by time. Since the body is dropped, its initial velocity is 0. This simplifies the formula to final velocity equals acceleration times time. We know the final velocity is 30 meters per second, and the acceleration is 9.8 meters per second squared. Divide 30 by 9.8, and we get approximately 3.06 seconds. So, it takes about 3.06 seconds for the body to reach a velocity of 30 meters per second. Step 2. Calculate the distance fallen. Next, we calculate how far the body falls in these 3.06 seconds. For this, we use the second equation of motion. The formula tells us that distance equals the initial velocity multiplied by time plus 1/2 multiplied by acceleration and time squared. Since the initial velocity is 0, the first term disappears, and the formula simplifies to distance equals 1/2 multiplied by acceleration and time squared. Now, substitute the values. The acceleration is 9.8 meters per second squared, and the time is 3.06 seconds. First, square 3.06, which gives approximately 9.36. Multiply this by 9.8 and then divide by 2. The result is approximately 44.14 meters, so the body falls 44.14 meters during this time. Step 3. Find the height above the ground. The total height of the tower is 100 meters. To find the height above the ground, subtract the distance fallen from the total height. Subtract 44.14 from 100, and you get 54 meters. Final answer. The height above the ground, where the velocity of the body reaches 30 meters per second, is 54 meters.